Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a number in CallRail. It's actually pretty simple. Typically, you just log into your CallRail account. You're going to go to tracking, and my internet's going slow. So I'm going to have a couple accounts, and this is just for show purposes, just for training purposes. So then now I just go to create number. I'm going to use this offline, and I'll put San Antonio. I want to choose a number in a different area code. So San Antonio is going to be 2210 area code. So click that. You want to find a number that's pretty easy to remember, that people can call back, or that makes sense. So, it really doesn't, on this, I don't think there's anything that stands out to me. So I may just click on this one because there's the number 5 is in here 3 different times. So I'll click on that one. I'll hit next for number features. Okay, and I do want to hear a whisper message. So I'll say call from San Antonio.
Call from San Antonio.
That's great. And if I want to record it, I can record that. I'm not going to worry about that right now. And then I'm going to activate the tracking number. And then I'm going to just set up the call flow. I'll hit done. I'll go into that San Antonio number, edit it. If I want to forward it to a different number, all I have to do is click on the edit button and then change the cell phone number I want to. I can enable call recording. You can also create what's called a call flow where it'll ring to multiple phone numbers at once. For right now, just have the number forwarded to your cell phone number, or directly to your voice message. That's usually the 2 choices I use. You can set up a whole call flow depending on your employees and stuff like that. But for me and for my team, I just basically set it up and send it to whoever is going to be receiving the calls. So in this case, it'll be someone on my team that'll be receiving the calls. And that's all you have to do on CallRail.